Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel! So today we have a package from ShopMissA. I got it from their Memorial Day sale in this super protective like sleeve. I have the square lips. I love this product because it literally has made my lips so luscious and just amazing. Like I love it. I have one in my bag always, like I love. And then I got this skinny mascara because I love the skinny mascaras. And then I have their $1 eyeliners. These are so good. Like if you're somebody that wants to experiment with colorful liner, but you do not want to break the bank, like you do not want to be buying them about face ones or stuff like that, or like you don't have the coin for Danessa Myricks right now, it's okay. Because we got ShopMissA to help us, okay? So shout out to ShopMissA. Next, I got some of my favorite lashes. I have Diane in this deluxe curl set. I love the deluxe curl set. It's one of my favorites. It's giving lash extension for me always, and that's what I love about it. And then I got Grace as well. Oh my god, I got Grace as well, which is also another one of my favorites. And I got some of their normal lashes. I got this one, Emily, which is a recent favorite of mine because they stopped making Tara, which was my absolute all-time favorite like natural lash. So I was really sad, but it's okay. And that's, I have a lot of lashes, but I literally have not used all of them, so I'm kind of like I need to stop buying the lashes if I don't use them. But luckily for all the deluxe curl ones, I actually used. And then I got some brushes. So I've bought some of these brushes before. They're eye brushes and I really like them, so that's why I bought some more. E128, the mini tapered. I really like this, especially because I have eyes that are very like smushed. Not smushed, but like they're hooded, so I feel like everything is kind of more condensed. It's not like wide, it's like I hope y'all get what I mean. And then I got the E129. I got the E132, and this is the small blending brush. It is definitely giving small. This should be called the mini one, because I was like, oh this is small, but I like. Cute. The E130 is the medium blending. I would say these are definitely, like when they say medium blending, I would say these are definitely like more crease brushes, but you can blend with them. I prefer to blend with a very fluffy brush. That's my favorite, and that's what I got. The E126 for me is a blending brush. Like if you really want to diffuse your eyeshadow, just get the E126. It's gonna help diffuse your eyeshadow, make it look very blended, and I really like that. So I got another one of those because it was just my favorite. I was like, yeah. I got two phones. One for the plug and one for the load. These ShopMissA Studio Cream Blush brushes, because I got these Danessa Myricks ones and I was like, I don't want to have to use the same brush for everything, so I got this, and I think this would be really good to just put it on. And then I have another brush which I could kind of use to blend. Like I feel like maybe blending it could help, but at the same time it looks really dense, so I'm like, I don't know, we'll see. I like how small it is though. For me it looks really tiny. Like it looks so small, petite, and delicate. Like okay, Mariah has a competitor. This makeup hand palette. I was just put foundation here, stipple it, boo, 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 boo. Y'all get the point. Y'all get the point. And then the last thing I got was this dual brow comb and spoolie because I want to learn how to block my brows. I've been trying, and it's hard. I've done it with, oh no, I think I broke my nail. No. Anyways, I broke my nail. I got this because it has like a little comb, and I would love to use this to separate. Oh my god, even right now I'm like, ooh, I like this to separate the brow hairs, and especially like the others. Like I just love me a good spoolie just to set my brows like for every day. Even like to block or not to block, don't matter. I will definitely be using this brush. I'm excited. But I hope y'all like that. Be sure to shop from ShopMissA. I love them so much. If you're all watching, please sponsor me. I will be so happy to promote your products, your eyelashes and brushes specifically. Complexion, not so much, because you know we could do a little better on the shade range, but everything else Okay, yes. But thank y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.